What's up, guys, and welcome to Hammerhead Garage. For our first non-short video, we're diagnosing problems with Scamp. Didn't wish I had to be doing this, but for whatever reason, my lifter won't stop ticking, so we're going to be taking the intake off, see what's going on there. Bear with me, I'm still learning this camera shit, but I've had this car for about 3 years. Most of the problems were body work. You can see it on my TikTok channel, Richardson1123. You can go check out 717 Car Meets channel too. That's mostly Tanner doing his stuff with his Jetta. That's going to be back soon. He got into a little bit of an accident with it. Somebody pulled out in front of him, and he's trying to deal with insurance. So, what we have on our plates, more car meets. Just keep going at it until we actually get our garage started. A little bit about Hammerhead Garage. Just 5 high school friends wanting to start garage together. That's pretty much it. We all had our cool cars that we like, and we decided we want to do custom builds for a living. So right now we're trying to get all that stuff worked out. We're trying to get a shop that seems like it's going to be a little bit far from now, but until then we can just work on what we got and make do. This YouTube channel should be able to help. We can get our word out there, get our stuff done. Anyway, about the car. Rebuilt this engine about 2 years ago. 318, 74 Plymouth Scamp with 318 numbers matching motor. Nothing really done to it performance-wise besides the 4-barrel intake and carb. But that's pretty much all it for performance-wise, so it's not really like a race car or anything. It's just a fun thing to drive. Well, I finally got it done, sort of, a couple of weeks ago. Had the insurance done, ready to take to a car show for my school, and drove it there on its maiden voyage. Made it 40 minutes there, 40 minutes back, just fine. This is after I already put new intake on it, brand new intake, because the old one was warped and it was getting antifreeze in the oil. Well, now my lifter tick came back, worse than ever. Last time we took the intake off to look at the lifter tick, and actually I'll go get it. The cam actually ate away one of the lifters pretty decently. That's bad. But it was only this one. I don't know why. It was only that one. But that's what we're trying to figure out. I've been looking up a lot of things on YouTube. Probably I didn't use break-in oil. I don't know a lot of this stuff. And my dad, who helped me when he used to do this stuff, it wasn't really a thing to have no zinc oil. So we're going to try and get it worked out. I'm going to try and get this intake off. Recording off my phone right now because we don't have an actual camera or tripod. So probably not going to get any footage of me actually working on it. I'll just cut in, cut out. Work on it like that. I just drained the radiator. Try to get all that caught. Still let it drain. I'm going to take my carb off. I kind of wish I did the Holley EF5 setup, but oh well. Holley Brawler 570 works just fine. But we're going to try and get this intake off without too many problems. Hopefully not rip the new gaskets I just bought. And we'll see what's going on with this lifter tick. My goal for this car right now is to get it done before my graduation because I want to drive to graduation, while trying to make videos for YouTube. Slow start. I know slow start. We haven't uploaded in a while. For the little subscribers we have, we only have about 19 to 20 at this moment. But every little bit helps. So, whenever we do actually get our shop or we start working on them somewhere else, because our main problem is we don't have anywhere to work on them besides like our own houses. We ran out of room. That's a long intro, but it's going to be slow upload until then. And, well, nothing else really I can say. Let's just get to it. Here's where I have started. I'm draining the radiator right now. Actually, I think it's about done. So, right now, running with a Holly Brawler 570 double pump. What is that? That's a Edelbrock Performer intake. Brand new intake. I wish it didn't cost as much. I wish I didn't have to put it on there, but oh well. Like I said, it's just a stock 318. So I'm really hoping it's not that big of a problem. The engine was in really good condition a long time ago whenever we rebuilt it. So I'm really hoping that me driving at about 2 hours did not screw it up too bad, because that lifter tick is really loud. You can probably hear it in the video I had on this car on the channel earlier. You could probably hear it ticking then. But I'll get back when I get some of our shit off. Alright, it's been a couple hours and I'm back. Well, it seems to be what I came into last time. What I'm thinking it's my cam. Show you here. It was the same last time. It was this fucking rocker. Last time the lifter failed right on that one. But none of these other ones seem bad. I mean, that one moves it. Alright, I might have to look into that. But it was this specific one last time. And last time it was that failed lifter. And it got stuck. So, let's put it over here. This one. So, they're the hydraulic flat tappets. In here, it got stuck. I think maybe it was moving too much. I can't remember. But I bet that lifter in there is going to look just like this. And it's going to be that one only, I bet. Here's what they're supposed to look like. Flat. Or maybe this one's worn down. Oh, fuck. You know what? Now I'm seeing this one's worn down too. These are my old ones. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. I never noticed that. That's one of the old ones. I guess that came out of the same spot. That one's also a bit flat. So these are the lifters that came installed in the engine when I bought it, just in a different box. Ooh, oh fuck. That one's bad too. Alright, hold on. Fucking Jesus, I didn't even notice this before. Pardon my French, but holy crap, I never noticed that so many of them were bad before. Alright, well, new discoveries, I guess. Those are all good. These ones were bad when I pulled them out, and that was the one. This was one of the new comp lifters. that I put in it. I never noticed this yet. And all these other ones are just fine. So I guess that's something else to look in. I don't know. The guy I bought this car from was a complete retard. So that might be part of the problem, but anyway, I'll finish doing that later. Huh. Well, I'm curious to see if there's shavings in there again. I mean, there probably is. I'm going to end it off for tonight, but I'll be back again in a fucking flick of a finger, because editing magic, but I'm really hoping that I'm not having to clean the valley out again, because the last time I had to do that kind of sucked. Let's see something. Yeah, that seems fine. But I'll be back whenever this intake's off. Alright, second day doing this. I got my intake off, and I can thoroughly say I feel defeated, because this is a brand new intake and brackets, and I don't understand what the hell is going wrong. I mean, yeah, you can see silicone there, but silicone's what you're supposed to use on these instead of the cork gaskets. Cork gaskets make it leak out the front and back. And then these are brand new gaskets. Took my other valve cover off. That's it. This one. Oh. That lifter's going to have a hole in it. Right there. I don't know. Maybe. Let's see if I can. There. See if I can get it. I just saw liquid come out of the bottom of that lid. Oh, it's broken. Right down in there. It's actually chipped off. God damn it. Well, that sucks. New cam and lifters. Here we go. I might get a new set of rockers while I'm at it. God damn it. That one's eating away too. Well, this sucks. Guess I'm gonna have to, well, I was gonna do it anyway, just drain the oil. I'm gonna work on getting my radiator out, this 4-row aluminum one. I'm curious to see how much antifreeze comes out in that oil. And let's see if I can get the chunk of lifter out. But man, that feels defeating, man. Those are brand new lifters. That cam is old, so I guess the guy who had it before me never broke it in. But I don't know. But I think I'm going to end the video off here. And I'll start another one whenever I go to take the radiator out. Peace, guys.